Welcome back to Lesson 1. Here we will be given the surface area of a prism and then have to solve for a missing variable. So example 1. A rectangular prism has a surface area of 518 square inches. What is the width? So looking at the diagram, I can call this side L and this side H. So now let me plug in my values into the formula for surface area of a rectangular prism. Now normally we're looking for the surface area, but this time I have it. So I'm going to plug in 518 on the left-hand side of the equation. So 518 equals 2 times, L is 9, W, I don't know what that is, so I'll leave that as W, plus 2 times 9, now H is 11, plus 2 times W times 11. So now on the right-hand side, I can multiply some terms together here. 2 times 9 times W. That works out to be 18W. Now 2 times 9 times 11 is 198. And 2 times W times 11 works out to be 22W. Now I can add my like terms together. 18W plus 22W. That is 40W. Now whenever we want to solve for a variable, you always want to isolate it. So the first thing I'm going to want to do here is get rid of the plus 198. And in order to get rid of a plus 198 is to subtract 198 from both sides. So I have 518 minus 198 equals 40W plus 198 and then minus 198. Now on the left, that works out to be 320. And on the right, they cancel, and I have just 40W. Now what I need to do is divide both sides by 40. On the left, that works out to be 8. And on the right, 40's cancel, and I get W. So now I can say that the width is 8 inches. Now let's look at an example involving a triangular prism. So this triangular prism here has a surface area of 660 square centimeters. What is the height? So let me start by writing out the formula for surface area of a triangular prism. So this here is W, this is L, this is S, and then here's our height here. So let's fill in what we know. I know the surface area is 660, so that goes here on the left. W is 10. H, I don't know. L is 15 and W is 10. And then L is 15 and S is 13. Let's go ahead and multiply. 10 times H is simply 10H. 15 times 10 is 150. And 2 times 15 times 13 is 390. Now these are the like terms here that I can add together. So that works out to be 540. So now, since I'm trying to isolate H, what I should do is subtract 540 from both sides. .660 minus 540 is 120. And on the right hand side, they cancel. And I have 10H. Now I need to divide both sides by 10. On the left it's 12, and on the right we have h. So we can say that the height is 12 centimeters.